What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go with our friend Matic, currently sitting at $1.02. We're down 3% on the day. We're seeing market cap of 9.34 billion. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a fantastic weekend. 24-hour volume 403 million. Let's hop into the charts. So here's an alternative wave count that I noticed today, potentially leading diagonal and then coming down to ABC, which could take you all the way down to 45 to 71 cents. This is quite possible, considering I do think Bitcoin is going to see a pullback into this yellow box, with the best case scenario of bouncing off about 25K or 25.5 in my opinion. So if we look at the current price of Bitcoin, I do think we're going to bounce soon in a wave B. And we drop from the current price. Let's say we come down to 23K. You're looking at a 15% drop. And alts will often drop double the percentage that Bitcoin does. So from the current price, if we come down about 30%, you're looking at about 71 cents. And then, of course, you could potentially come lower. So I think there's a good chance that this wave count plays out. As you can see, this was a rising wedge, which is typical of a leading diagonal. I think we could be starting a potential wave C. The alternative wave count, if Bitcoin bounces sooner, then my alternative wave count from the 30-cent low here for Matic is that we put in the wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. You're looking to push up in that larger wave 3. Within that wave 3 or 5 waves. So we pushed up in the wave 1, and right now we'd be going through an ABC flat into a wave 2. However, if 88 cents is broken, that wave count becomes unlikely, and if Bitcoin heads down to 25K, it's very likely we will break 88 cents. But if we do hold this support zone, then this is a potential wave count I would be looking at. Quick look at Ethereum on the weekly chart. We faked out above the 2000 resistance. We fell back down. So I'm watching closely the weekly EMAs. The 55 is coming in at about 1790 and the 20 EMA is coming in at about 1677, which will change tomorrow night with the weekly close. But it's crucial that ETH holds those weekly EMAs to maintain a bullish structure. If we can hold those EMAs and we bounce, then we're going to print the bullish cross on the weekly, and that's a signal that has never failed. I haven't checked it out for ETH, previous bear market. Let's take a look. Yeah, you can see right here we had the bullish cross, massive breakout. So for BTC, it's a signal that's never failed, telling us the bottom is in on the weekly chart. So if we can hold those weekly EMAs, that would be a major bullish sign for the price of ETH. So a quick little update for Matic. I do think it's likely that Bitcoin is just going to come down and create a lower low before bouncing up in a wave B and dropping lower in a wave C in between 21.6 and 24.7K. Those weekly EMAs on Bitcoin as well. Looks like we're going to do a bit of Bitcoin analysis in this video. 55 EMAs coming in about 25.7. 20 EMA is coming in about 24.7. So crucial we hold those weekly EMAs for BTC as well if we are going to see bullish continuation. And we're simply coming down for a retest of 25,000. But even if we do come down to 24.7, I think it's likely that Matic will break 88 cents and potentially come down to this wave 2 pullback zone in between 45 and 71 cents. I do think if Bitcoin bounces off 25K, then it's likely we could see a bounce from 71 cents, possibly the min target, which is 85 cents. The 38.2% fib level is a minimum target for a wave 2 pullback. But I do think it's likely we are going to see a deeper drawdown for the price of Matic, even if we do get a short-term bounce, because what you may see is we bounce up to retest this rising wedge, test these EMAs on the daily chart before seeing continuation down. If we were to break back up into the pattern, break that B wave high, we could look at a more bullish count, but this is what I'm focused on right now. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget, up to 8K in bonuses, up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit. You can check out my full-length tutorials. All you have to do is email me your sign-up email. It takes 2 minutes, and I will give you completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, updates, trade signals, all types of goodies. If you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, 30-day free trial to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, juicy short trade on Matic for 113%. Mahalo Alt Plays, 30-day free trial. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Saturday. Much love. Take care.